everybody, I am Dr. Li. Today I'm very pleased to come here to provide some information to you regarding acidity and alkalinity of liquid we're drinking every day. This information are very important for our health or even our life. If our body is acidic, we are subject to sickness. On the other hand, if our body can be alkaline, then we can be healthy. For example, we drink tap water, tea, coffee, bottled water, juices, or even alcohol. Have you ever thought about each of those fluids may have some contents of chlorine, have some contents of chemical, pesticide, or even carcinogens. And carcinogen can bring us to cancer. The following demonstrations are for you to think about, and I hope that you don't miss them.
So hi everybody, I'm Heidi. So today we'll do 5 water tests. The first one is the ORP testing. ORP standard oxidation reduction potential. So this machine is ORP machine. So when you turn on, it's positive. Positive means bad. It's aging, it's rusting, it's bad for you. And the negative is good. It means antioxidant, and it can neutralize our free radicals. So let's start to pour the waters. So first is the Dasani. First, let's try Dasani. So it's a positive 290. How about Aquafina? It's positive 253. Still climbing. Let's try Smart Water. It's positive 263. How about Gatorade? It's positive 357, 56. Let's try Fiji water. It's positive 250. How about the Nasty water? It's positive 240. How about the Sprite? It's positive 362. Let's try filter water. Still positive 250. Okay, let's try tap water. Wow, it's 500, positive 520, still climbing. So now it's positive 540. Okay, let's try Kangen water. Very good. It's negative 220, 30, 235, 36. So negative 240 Kangen water.
Now the next demonstration by Heidi is to show the pH of all the fluid on the table. And then as you can see from this chart, the green one represents neutral. And then the more blue one means more alkaline. And more yellow one means more acidic in pH.
This is the pH tester. So now let's do the pH test. Okay, so obviously you can see most of the drinks are acidic. only Kangen water is alkaline.
Look at this chart. The more yellow one means more chlorine in the liquid, and then the last one means less chlorine.
So this is a chlorine tester. So now we'll pour the tap water in the cup. We'll ask one of the customer put the finger inside for 1 minute. So this is a chlorine tester. So obviously the chlorine is very high. There's a lot of chlorines in the tap water. So now let me ask everybody a question. What are you washing the vegetables and the rice? We always use tap water to washing the food. So let's try it. We use chlorine water, put it in the rice. This is onion. I just cut it. And a few lime. Let's give it a stir. Okay, ready? Take your finger out. Okay, now let's try the chlorine test again. You see, they all 5 of these cups, they all tap water, but supposed to all like this color. But this one with the finger, chlorine on the finger, in the finger, and with all the fruits and vegetables and rice, chlorine is absorbed by whatever you put in. So only the Kangen water is no chlorine inside.
The common demonstration by Heidi is to do oil test by Kangen water and also by tap water.
And this is a tomato I bought from market.
So she is putting tomato into both different containers, and then she is going to put tap water in one and then Kangen water in the other, into the other. So she is putting tap water into this container, and she is putting more alkaline Kangen water, which you can get it from the machine. And then, if we stir up, we just leave it there a little bit, then you can see the water washed by the tap water stay clear. But the water from the Kangen water washed the tomato is yellow. That means the Kangen water, the alkaline one, can wash out the oil-based pesticide. We just have seen this demonstration now, but we want to do further demonstration of the oil test.
This is a sesame oil. We pour a little bit in each.
So she put oil in both containers.
Well, when we put tap water inside, we all know tap water, the water and the oils never mix, so it's immediately separated in layers. So now let's try Kangen water.
So she's putting the more alkaline Kangen water into this one. And then you can see the oil in this one is all emulsified. That means they all mix together.
So now tomatoes ready. Let's pour the water out. You see, use kitchen water after wash, all the pesticide, herbicide, insecticide was being washed away. And use tap water, no matter how many times you wash, the pesticide is still on the tomato.
Now this demonstration is going to make tea by tap water and by canned water. Now Heidi is going to put tea bag in the cups. And then she is putting tap water into one tea bag, and then also canned water into another one. And let us see what happened. We can right away see that the tea is pulled out by the canned water because the water molecule cluster is much smaller than the one in tap water. And then, in fact, the canned water, the water molecule cluster are so small you can keep making tea from one tea bag. In that sense, when this water molecule, the small water molecule cluster go into our body, we can be hydrated much easier than just drinking tap water and other fluids. We have seen all the demonstration. We know that when our body is acidic, we get sick. And then when we get alkaline in our body, we are healthy. But we cannot control everything. We cannot control the stress. We cannot just keep resting. And we have to work every day. The world is fast, life is busy. But there's an option. We can drink canned water to bring us to alkaline condition. Think about it. We work very hard every day for money. But we have to earn health in order to enjoy and spend the money we make. Friends, think about this. The canned water, why wait?